That was in the drawer the other day.
Well, I don't need
It
them
fell
now.
out.
You sure you don't want to go?
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know where the damn ticket is.
Well, anyway, I've got the tabletop out. I was going to come over later, not at this point. You going to be home? I want to see how it looks in the corner.
I'll be in and out today. You call first.
Okay.
Because I gotta take Susie to the movie. I don't know where the ticket is, Emily.
You'd have to find a ticket if you were going.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, but it should be right here. It's never been anywhere else. Maybe it fell back here. It fell behind underneath the drawer.
You got them?
Yeah.
What's the breakfast sausage with? Kind of new recipe.
Bernstein, a porter and everything. Oh, it's gonna be gorgeous.
So why don't you go?
Because it's gonna be romantic. That's all romantic music.
Oh, you want to hold somebody's hand?
Yeah.
I'll hold your hand.
Huh?
I'll hold your hand.
No, you go with the left.
We'll let people talk.
I think the lefts are gonna take my tickets.
Huh?
A real romantic one tonight. I won't go without you. Emmy said the lefts.
I said Ted will hold your hand.
I just get depressed.
Aww. You trying to give him a guilt trip for going away?
No,
No?
no,
Oh, okay. You could go with him.
no, I don't want to.
You don't want to do that either.
Nope.
Okay.
I want to hit my little hole here.
All right. Well, anyway. So do you want me to call?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to catch up, and I have to catch up with you later for sure.
Yeah. I have a 4:30 basketball game, and I have to take the kids to the movie at 1:30.
All right, because I'm not even dressed, and
Yeah,
I'm...
well then I'll be home between 2 and 3:30.